Beautiful ideas for painting your door red. This orange-red door looks beautiful against an off-white exterior. The Georgian style was popular in the mid-18th century in the United States. Doors, windows, and chimneys were arranged symmetrically and designed according to classical motifs and proportions. A red door is a perfect backdrop for a wreath and other holiday decorations. Whether it's autumn or winter, your wreath and other decorations will stand out and look absolutely smashing displayed on your red door. These dark red double doors feature detailed carving or paneling on their surface and beautiful brass hardware. A pediment above features a carved detail. The doorjamb, or door case, is the frame surrounding the door and is composed of ivory or off-white framing or surrounds. A peach-colored stucco house does not appear as pink or peachy with the addition of bright red doors, which help to tone down the exterior and make it more of a neutral, as is probably intended. While it's not a hard and fast rule, double doors with symmetrical accents, like the lighting and urns with sweet potato vine, make the entrance neat and inviting. A red-orange, almost persimmon, door is flanked by narrow windows. White trim provides contrast, and the persimmon color is picked up in the potted geraniums on the front steps. Exteriors of houses that are painted white, beige, black, or any neutral will be enhanced with a red door. In the past couple of decades, gray has become as or more popular than tan and beige as the neutral of choice, often referred to as grise. Here, a burnt red door makes the home look as natural and inviting as a holiday card. An old brick facade becomes magnificent with its brilliant red wooden door. There is no question that this doorway is the architectural focus of this home's exterior, with moldings, paneling, surround, pediment, and a paned semicircular window. White trim is a classic color that goes with brick residential architecture, but you don't want to go overboard. A medium to dark red door is a smart solution to working with brick. It's not an obvious choice, but it softens the all-over brick color and serves as a nice accent or focal point, depending on the shade and gloss. Warmth is added to this charmingly rustic cottage by painting the heavy wooden door an orange red. A wreath and vines offer an appropriate accent. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.